Welcome. Today, we're uncovering the invisible digital passport that's literally attached to every single photo you take.
Seriously, have you ever wondered what kind of secrets are secretly hiding inside your camera roll right now?
Well, it's called image metadata. Think of it as hidden DNA that travels everywhere your picture goes.
This DNA has three main parts: Exif for camera specs, iptc for copyright, and XMP for your edits.
So why care? Massive platforms like Adobe Stock and Getty Images absolutely require this embedded data to function.
Plus, for e-commerce sites like Etsy or Shopify, optimizing this data actually boosts your product's search ranking.
So, how do you actually see it? You can use a free online tool like Exif Injector.
It's super easy. Just pick the tool, upload your file, instantly read the data table, and export.
But there's a dark side here. Your iPhone's GPS metadata can pinpoint your exact location within 5 meters.
To stay safe, always use secure viewers that use encrypted connections and immediately delete your uploaded files. So, before you post again, ask yourself, what secrets are your public photos sharing right this very second?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, iptc, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.